This is the 2018 Math Kangaroo Levels 5-6, problem number 30. Write the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in the 7 circles to obtain equal sums along each of the 3 lines. What is the sum of all the possible numbers replacing the question mark? A, 3, B, 6, C, 9, D, 12, or E, 18? To start, we should find the sum of 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, which is equal to 42. As stated in the problem, the sums of the numbers along each of the 3 lines is equal. This means that the sum of these 3 numbers is equal to the sum of these 3 numbers, which is equal to the sum of these 3 numbers. Each line has the question mark in common. This means that if we found the sum of this plus this, let's say x, that would be equal to this, and the sum of this plus this. This means that we can also write 42 as being the sum of 3x plus question mark equals 42. Since this is a multiple of 3 and this is also a multiple of 3, the question mark must also be a multiple of 3 in order to have a sum that is a multiple of 3 as well. Out of these numbers, the only ones that are multiples of 3 are 3, 6, and 9. Since the question is asking for the sum, we must add these 3 numbers. 3 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 18. This means that answer choice E must be correct. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, like, and comment.